But I think the point made, it's important for all of us to recognize. Can we allow the Speaker then to continue with his intervention?
Thank you, Speaker. Minister of Finance, the Patriotic Alliance, the fastest growing political party, judged by election results, support the division of revenue bill. We also want to congratulate you. You have been going through what we would say the most. You've been called names, you've been insulted, but you remain resolute to find a solution. You are one of the best finance ministers this country has produced. This bill, budgets has collapsed countries. They've collapsed different governments.